I'm Sean from DEFY Performance. So DEFY Performance has been running for just on 12 months now. Predominantly it's Joe, my wife, and I here down in our 300 square metre shed, chipping away at clients' jobs. We can work on our own project car in and out of that. It's predominantly GC8 restoration, so the early Subis, the Subis that were brand new when we started S&J Automotive, getting a rebirth now here, where we are fortunate enough to have quite a few clients even still lined up for their generally 22Bs, but also some STIs to be restored underneath. Engine bay mechanically as well. We do the full mechanical drivetrain restoration at the same time. So that's what DEFY Performance is. It's a boutique restoration shop for GC8 Subarus. So what we have here is our project car. It's going to be a hill climb and a sprint event car. So probably the longest stage might be 5 kilometres. So the car's being tailor-made for those purposes, tarmac only. It started off life as a 1997 JDM STI Type R. We were very fortunate that the car already had a logbooked roll cage in it when we got the car, but we've taken the time to convert it to a wide body, so it's very important to get as much rubber on the road as possible and to lighten the car. So we've chosen what we believe to be the world's best carbon fibre body kit, and we've installed that onto the car, made the larger tubs all round, started strengthening the chassis in areas and further reinforcing the roll cage, designing the fuel system for the car and planning to put our power plant from our previous hill climb car into this vehicle. So the engine that we've been running for 3 seasons in the 22B, like I said, that whole drivetrain will be coming out of that car and going into this one with a few little upgrades along the way. It runs a Motec M150 ECU and a Motec dash, as well as the Bosch fuel pumps and Bosch injectors as well. It's a twin scroll engine, 2.35 litre. It is an original 22B engine. So we're keeping the car quite old school, quite simple. We've got the option to put some more mod cons on the car. We will put a motorsport throttle body on to make the shift matching a little bit better, even with a H pattern. But we'll keep it very old school looking and feeling. During the planning of the build, we explored quite a few opportunities and options for fuel systems and fuel tanks. It was important to us to remove that fuel tank from under the car for its weight and for its impracticality with the body kit, not wanting a fuel door in the carbon fibre body kit, so that was one of the main reasons to actually alleviate that. We kept looking at custom tanks, and the WRC tank was something that surrounded the spare wheel well, so it was a semicircle sort of thing. No matter how we sort of looked at it, we were going to need at least one pickup pump in the tank. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but for simplicity, we actually come across a tank that's 19 litres in capacity. It's only a little over 30 centimetres cubed, so it's quite a small tank. It's foam filled and it has a little sump at the bottom where the pickup or where the outlet is for the fuel pump. So we're going to run a single Bosch 275 litre per hour pump, which will be ample for the 300 kilowatts of the wheels of this car or more. The reason for choosing the 275 litre per hour Bosch Motorsport fuel pump was because we all know how popular and fantastic the 044 was for all those years. This is a replacement for the 044. It is said to be 10% more output. It's physically very similar size, very easy to mount, easy to get fittings for. Just obviously it has a good wrap, and we're happy to use the entire fuel system of the car will be Bosch. If you have further interest in the build progressing from here, as well as the clients' restorations that we do, you can find DEFY Performance on Facebook, no problem at all. And you'll see various pictures of underbodies of cars restored to the nth degree, all the way through to this build as it progresses and gets closer to the finish.